The Nasdaq just dropped 3% in a single day. It's the biggest sell-off we've seen in probably 6 months. Now here's my take on what happened and what we can expect next. My name is Michael. I'm a pastor who teaches other pastors how to trade stocks and options for extra income. And I want to talk about this particular day, October 10th, 2025. The president announced earlier today that there would be new tariffs on China, specifically on rare earth minerals, which are the materials used in semiconductors, batteries, a lot of the tech that drives the Nasdaq. So when traders heard that, they immediately priced in slower production, higher costs, lower profit margins for a lot of these big tech names. And that sent stocks dropping faster than your volunteers blocking out holiday weeks on Planning Center, right? Here's what I see that happened today. We've been going up and up and up over the last 6 months or so, ever since April when we had the drop from the initial tariff conversation where we lost 20-25% of the Nasdaq from March into April. But then in April, once we got a feeling for all the tariffs and what that would look like, the stock market has just gone up ever since then. In fact, we've had 28 all-time closing highs in the last 15 weeks. Tariffs were not even in the picture anymore. We don't think about them. If there's any news of them, it's just instantly discarded because all of the tariff stuff has been priced in to the market until today. This is something new. This is a new tariff. This is a new potential trade war with China, and it caught everyone off guard. Nobody expected tariffs to resurface like they did, and that surprise sparked fear. Now, could this be temporary? Of course it could. It is very possible that this was a political posturing or a negotiation tactic that the president uses. He's partial to doing that. And the market may recover even as early as next week. However, if these tariffs become more concrete, or worst case, if there's still a ton of uncertainty remaining around what he means by these tariffs, then we could expect more follow through to the downside. And that's what I'm expecting for at least the early part of next week. So the first part of next week, I do anticipate some more selling, some more downward movement in the stock, but certainly we should see some volatility in the days ahead. But listen, even if we do move down, keep the big picture in perspective. We are only a couple percentage points away from all-time highs, and we're 40% higher than the lows of 2025, let alone a multi-year low. So we've got a lot of wiggle room, a lot of range that we can play in for this year, and still a lot of year left to go. So don't panic, keep a clear perspective, and understanding why the market reacts like it did can help us stay calm and look for the next good opportunity.